only is to go. And bro, how you gonna give her the choice and do the complete opposite? Naked. You gotta be a sick puppy to think of something like that. Like, how do you even come up with something like that? Whoa. Somebody off this guy. Like, I knew it was gonna come to this. I knew something deep down inside told me this is what he wanted all along.